today's workshop, Where Do Worthy Entrepreneurial Ideas Come From? It is also the kickoff event for Marietta College's PioBiz Competition. My name is Heather Miller. I'm an adjunct faculty member here at Marietta College. I am joined by Dr. Jacqueline Corsani and Faith Knutson.
I want to get started by talking a little bit about PioBiz Competition and what it is. It's a business startup competition. Top awards here are somewhere between $100 to $190. We want you to focus on what kind of problem does your product solve and who are these people that you're solving this problem for, and are they really willing to buy your solution? You want your products and services either fall in this category of innovation or in the category of improvement. You want to avoid products that are just cool but nobody wants, and products that are totally irrelevant. Observe people. What kind of problems they have? What do they complain about? What are the difficulties? Observe when you go to other locations and then other products in other industries. So make sure that you have some resources that you can actually get started.
I'm going to go into something that I call the venture model canvas. But the entire purpose of this is to think of an idea or think of some people that you want to help with solving a problem, and then sort of think through how feasible that would be. So originally, the business model canvas was very much about a for-profit business. And we wanted to make one, again, for the public sector and for nonprofits. And we also talked about social and environmental costs and benefits.